Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. In the last few videos, I have been making Chinese food. So I thought, why don't we try something different today? I'm going to show you how to make a simple Thai stir fry. This dish is called chili jam chicken. This dish has all the elements of a typical Thai dish. It is salty, it is sweet, spicy, and it is aromatic because we will be using a Thai basil to flavor the aroma of the dish. I have already done some of the basic preparation. I have the garlic here, red capsicum, this is one red capsicum, and this is a French shallot, which I have removed the skin. I have green beans, which I have already cut it into small pieces, and this is another red capsicum, which I have sliced it into a mashed stick. Spring onions, which I'm gonna use just the bottom part of the spring onions, which is the white section. This is a Thai basil, which I have already removed the leaves. This is how it looks. Now I have done a Thai dish, which you can find the link under the description or on the top right of this video. I've done a dish making use of the Thai basil as well. The other thing which I have already done is tamarind. Now this is tamarind, which I have soaked it in hot water. The next thing I'm gonna do is to prepare and marinate the chicken breast. So I'm gonna let it sit for an hour before I stir fry the chicken. Chili jam is really a caramelized chili sauce. We will make this chili sauce ourselves. This is the first step, is to make the chili jam. You can make this at any time. Keep it in a jar, airtight container, and keep it in the fridge. And then use it when you want to do your cooking. Now with the chili, I'm just going to tear it up and toss out any of the seeds. So what I want to do next is this chili, I'm going to put it into a saucepan. There are a couple of techniques that are critical to make a very nice, smoky, sweet tasting chili jam. The first technique is to make sure that you actually toast the dried chili, the garlic, and the shallots on a dry pan. So I'm gonna toast it. I'm gonna toast it on a dry saucepan. You can see it's starting to smoke. So that should be ready. You will know when it's ready because it's darker in color and it's getting smoky and you can actually smell it. Now this is good enough for me, so I'm gonna tip this in onto the plate and let it cool down. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna toss it and put it on the plate to let it cool down. See that? Toasted and smoky dried chili. Can smell it, smells great. Next I want to do is to use the food processor, and I'm going to blend the garlic, the shallots. I'm gonna make my chili paste next. I'm gonna add the red capsicum. Now to help the blade spin, I'm gonna add some cooking oil. I'm gonna add the chili. Chili jam paste. The second technique that is important to making a very nice chili jam is to make sure that you give it sufficient time to slowly simmer, separate the oil, and caramelize until it's almost reddish brown color, just like this. Okay, I have some oil in the pan. I'm gonna fry the paste right now. I'm gonna add the tamarind juice. Now this is called chili jam, so which means that the sauce itself needs to be caramelized and it needs to be sweet. So what I'm gonna do is to add 1 block of, this is a Thai palm sugar, I'm gonna add 1 block in there. So the idea is to let it simmer gently until it really caramelizes and thicken up. Wow, it's really nice. Just need a little bit more sugar, so I'm gonna add a little bit of the palm sugar. Okay, this looks very good. It's caramelized, it's dark as you can see, and the oil has separated. And you can see right here is almost dried, so I can turn off the heat now, and I'm gonna remove and let it cool down. Now I have my chili jam. Next I want to do is to stir fry my chicken, making use of my chili jam. First thing I want to do is to fry my chicken. Gonna add a little bit more oil. Gonna put in the spring onions. Add the green beans next, some fish sauce. Now I'm gonna add a chili jam paste. Next, I'm gonna add the capsicum. And the basil leaves. That's it. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. I'm Victor Khoo. See you next week.